Hello, Conrad Weiser, and welcome to another of our CW LMC tutorials. This time we're going to talk about the Mackin Ebooks and audiobooks that we have in this time of remote learning. So hopefully, if you have not joined the group CWLMC, you should do so. And if you are a member, you're going to come over here to resources, where we go for most of what we have. Remember, including tutorials. We're going to click on databases. And remember that no matter if you're here for books or you're doing research, especially because you're off campus, this Mackin login is a great place for you to use your Clever login so that you don't have to remember passwords and all of those types of things. Now, I had been in here earlier today, so my Clever login didn't pop up. If you're logging in for the first time today, then you would obviously put your 22A Schmidt at Weiser Scouts information in and go from there. So what I want to talk about here, I know we have a number of you that are utilizing the ebook option here in Mackin, which is an incredibly robust platform for ebooks. So I want to make sure that you understand that if what you do is come in here, be it on your phone in the app or on your laptop, if you just open it now, you can read it when there is a book available. But notice the same book has no readership available. And you can see the difference between these three and these three. Now this is the same book, so obviously it was popular. The people who managed this bought a second copy, if you will, or actually more than two, right? There's a total of 7 people who could be reading this right now. So my suggestion to you is that you would come up here and click the checkout button, and notice it automatically gives you that 2-week rotation that we give you at Conrad Weiser when we're in person. And I'd like you to just take a notice what you see visually as being different once I have clicked checkout. So we can see, oh yes, I have this book. And if you were still looking for this book, now there is none on this one. There never was, right? So you can see how here you can begin to read it. You can mark it as a favorite in both of these. And here you can request the book, right? So that would put you on a wait list, if you will, or put it on reserve for you is the term we use here at Conrad Weiser. So great options. I'm going to check this one back in. That's all that you have to do is hit the return book, and you can see how simple this is to take books in and or check them out and then return books back in. The other option you have are the audiobooks that we have available to us through, again, this consortium, which means it's a resource across the state and kind of pile our money together, which gives us more buying power as librarians across the state of Pennsylvania. So you can see here too, instead of read now, it's listen now. You can still add it to favorites, and the checkout would work the exact same way. Again, this is where you would click it back in, and you can see we have the green saying, hey, you have this book right now. And of course, this down here tells us this is an audiobook. So what I also recommend to students is to download the Mackin app to your phone. I know most of you like to be mobile readers and or listeners, and it's a very slick app that allows you to connect just like you did on your laptop. That connects you to our Conrad Weiser High School library and allows you the ability to read on your phone or listen to books on your phone, which is kind of cool if you think about traveling at all, that these would actually go with you. So this is the Mackin consortium of books, both ebooks, and of course what we're looking at right now is the audiobooks. I hope this is helpful, and you'll find this again in our tutorials for the library.